One of the uses for inventory registrations in the back office is to create stock for an assembly product based on the recipe that we created for that product. We covered assembly products in a previous training video, so if you haven't watched that, go and give it a watch before you watch this video. But to create the recipe or use the recipe to create stock of an assembly product, we will go to our inventory module and then go to new inventory registration. So for this example, I've just set up an assembly product from my side. We can search for this by selecting out of our product list, or we can just type in here the product name or the product code. Okay, so you'll see we've currently got one in stock at our location. I'm going to just change this location quickly. All right, so to create this product and deduct the relevant quantities of our recipe components to, create one unit in this example, we are going to click on Assemble. Here we're going to then specify how many units of this product we'd like to make. If we only want to make 1 unit, it's going to deduct the exact amounts in the recipe for 1 unit. If we want to create 2, it'll double that recipe, and so on and so forth. So now that I've selected Assemble, I'm just going to say Confirm. And you'll see here that it goes and deducts the relevant amounts based on my recipe. I said it was 300 grams of chicken fillet grams, so 300 grams of chicken fillet and 12 fermented chili sauces, and that will now deduct from all of the stock sitting on chicken fillet and under fermented chili sauce, and will then increase my chicken pieces to 1 unit on hand.